Holy. Okay, things got really interesting. Shafer Road's open. The problem is there's one small section that's very icy. And by ice I mean blocks of ice. And this is a road that you don't want it to be on ice. What happened is, I think I still can back up, but there's 3 cars sliding all over in a very dangerous situation. I'm just gonna show you guys, and I'm gonna try to make sure that I can help with the recover. But this is all ice. Getting to those trucks is, you can see that the Gladiator there already slide on the small Suzuki, and that run truck is just sliding back. I go have some recovery tools, including my chains. I'm gonna board these chains, and I'm gonna reevaluate if I should do this section. Let's see first if I can get back, because this is, so here are my chains. These are truck size chains. I have big tires, so I need those. Fortunately, the guy on the Gladiator there has the same size of my tires, so this should work. If it doesn't work, he's gonna be here for a while, because he's not gonna climb into this ice. And as the temperature drops, it's just going to get worse. So what we're gonna do is try to put this chains on his truck,